Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today I am going to show you how to clean your cache RAM from any Windows device. Currently you can see my RAM uses is 10 GB. Currently my RAM is using 45% and my cache RAM is 5.3 gigabyte. So let's go to the Chrome or other browser. Okay, if you cannot find the task manager from this place, you can simply go to click on Windows and search here task manager. Then you will get this. Click on task manager, come here and you will see your performance option and you will get the inside performance. You will get your RAM use. So let's go to the Chrome option and search a RAM map. Search RAM map and you will get a link like this from Microsoft Learn. Click on this and you will get a download option here. Download RAM map. The RAM map will be downloaded. Open the RAM map and extract file, and you need to start the rammap.exe file. Okay, let me install first. You can see my RAM map is starting and checking my process. You can see my currently back cached RAM already almost 5.2 gigabyte. Click on empty and click on empty standby list. You can see that my cache memory is released. It's now showing 800 MB. Okay, this is simply you can clean your cache RAM. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.